filming. Torture him. They're filming this. We're filming this. We're putting this on the internet. Just roll with it. Just act like it's your natural cause, just to help people be.
What glitter?
Yeah, what are you talking about? It's in your bag. Dead person on the side of school.
Wow.
Hey, you. Hey.
Be back.
Thomas's mom looks exactly like him. Just kidding. Thomas fell and he says, ow. Your fault. Look at me. What the heck? Get the trainer back. Why? Give it back. I'm not. She's sitting on it. Oh, why are you supposed to sit up? You can't. How do you can't get her. Wake up. It's oh, Thomas, guess what?
Oh, no.
Today, it's Monday today. You have school. Ooh, and you slept in. Oh no, you're screwed now. Your parents are gonna kill you.
This morning, how good it feels night.
What are you talking about? There's like daylight outside. You look out the window, Mr. Genius.
You know what? I'm gonna call you.
I can't even understand him. Thomas, I'm filming you like this very second.
Oh, good timing. Hello?
You should we put it on the internet? Okay, let's do it. Really funny.
Got it. Bye.
Like so weird. Thomas! We're putting this on YouTube. I have a file
going on.
You can watch it over and Thomas.
With his bad hand.
Oh, Thomas, you can't do that with your bad hand. That makes it worse. It's unholy for God now. You have to amputate it. Oh God, here you go. Run. No. Thomas with a bad hand, yeah. Can't do anything because he's a handicap, yeah. Oh my God, give me back my phone. Hello? Who is it? Hello? 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 Excuse me, answer me. You retard. Oh, Thomas. Thomas, it's not nice.
Yeah, okay, bye. Are you going?
Oh, it's not nice. Not nice, Thomas, not nice.
Give me back my platter.
No.
I don't have it.
It's your conscience speaking. Somebody has it. Personally, a butt does. What? Oh my God, you're spitting on my shoelace. Yeah, not nice. It's your conscience speaking again, and Thomas. It's not nice to say bad things to people. It's not a nice thing, okay? You know what? I don't care. Bye.
Oh my God. I want you to do that.
So?
Call my brother.
You know I'm putting all this on YouTube.
I can't write.
I told you. I gave you a clue.
My dad's here.
A butt has
Well,
it.
you never hung up on me. Oh no, you didn't.
He needs it.
What? Get up, my dad's here.
His dad has a bed camper. Seriously, like really.
My father likes one.
Oh no, Thomas, go get it. Go get it. Don't worry, little handicap man.
Oh my God, we're freaking.
Thomas has a bad hand. Yeah. That's why he's handicapped, man. Yeah. we love you, Thomas.
Thomas. Bye.